Hi, this is Ranjit Mani. Today I am going to show you how to record your screen from Camstudio application. So just go to Google and just type here Camstudio, right? Just click on this and we have your first link over here. Just click on this first link and just click on this download button. Now start this downloading this application. Yes, this is a total 3.8 MB exe file. We already started this downloading. Yes, my speed is very low right now. Okay, yes, this is downloaded. So I open this. Okay, fine. So I open this once again. Yes, this is Camstudio exe file. Just double click on this. Just click on run button. Another installation already progress. Okay. Okay, just click on next button, then accept all agreement. Then we started installing this software in your computer. So 80% done. Then we have to wait some time for this installation. After installation we start how to record your screen, right? Yes, installation status is done. Then click on finish button. Yes, installation. This is your actual window, right? So this is your Camstudio, right? So we are having this button is when you press on red button, this started this recording this screen. Then this is pause button, this is stop button. So we are having region. Yes, which screen you want to record, then fix region. If you want to some region you want to record, you can record. Then window, you particular any application if you want to record, then you can record. If you want a full screen, then click on full screen. So I choose here full screen. Then option here video options, so we can quality here adjust, so 65, so I can adjust here quality, right? So this is by default quality. So I click on OK button, then option, then cursor option. Suppose I click the highlight cursor, I want this cursor, so I click on this button. Then audio settings, suppose I want to record from microphone which is connected right now, so I selected this option. So these are the basic things. So tools, then screen annotations we have here. So now I want to record my screen through this Camstudio. So just click on red button, recording is started, right? So that suppose I am open this Google. Yes, Google, just how many record here, 15-second screen is recorded through this Camstudio. So I want to stop this recording. So here ask for the location where you want to save your file. Suppose I choose here desktop and I want to file name here rr dot. So just click on save button. Here we have this rr, right? So you can this is by default player. Yes, this is your recording, right? So that suppose I am open this Google. Yes, Google, just how many record here, So in this way you can record your screen, right? And a very easy method and very efficient, so that you can use this Camstudio. You can record your files, your presentations, so, and very easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.